everybody. Welcome to Honest Delivery. Welcome to Scarborough. My name's Rob, and also welcome to the Caledonian Southlands Hotel, just behind me there. The main entrance is around the corner, so let's go and get checked in. Let's go and have a look. Reception. That's the way to the rooms. So the floor I'm on. Room 307. Which way? Welcome to the room. Let's do a little room tour here. It's quite adequate. We've got the TV here. You've got a mirror. Forgive my mess on the desk here. There's me. Hello. Kettle. See, looks pretty. Kettle looks pretty clean to me. Some mugs there. Some tea and coffee. Nice little desk work area. Wardrobe there, which I won't be using. Chair. It's around here. We've got two beds. Both have individual reading lights. So you've got lights there. It's comfortable beds. It's two single beds, which is nice. Little desk there. Some PowerPoints. Another mirror. Hello again. Pretty much it really. It's quite clean. I think it's quite. It looks like it's been remodeled recently or something. It's quite clean on the inside. The carpet's got a little bit of scuffage on the front there, but not much. We go into the bathroom. A quick look in here. Nice bath. As Walk With Me Tim would say, probably get about 3 people into the shower. Bath area there. Standing up. 1, 2, 3 probably. They've got the hair and body wash dispenser rather than individual soaps. Got another mirror there. Soap dispenser there. Toilet there. Some toilet paper there. Some towels there. And also some towels on the beds as well. We can do a bed test. Oh, I'd say that's quite a firm bed there actually on that one. That's about it really for the tour of the room. That's it. Thank you for watching. So I paid £46 for the night. There's only one window, which is actually here. I know it's daylight. You can kind of see what's out there. Just a view of the street. There's no view of the sea. The sea is over to the right. Okay, so I've left the hotel. I'm heading down, I think, a road called Esplanade Terrace. I did film this last night, but you see in the day it's really pretty. Got a really nice garden over to the left there. If we stroll down here, another 50 or so yards, we'll get to the seaside. And I can never remember which bay it is, but I think, well, it's either North or South Bay. I can never remember which one. A little sort of seating area here. This is actually South Cliff Gardens down there. Walk over here. Oh, we can't actually go down there. But there is a spa cliff lift, but it's actually not open. I don't think you can walk up, but down there you can see all of there's like a castle on the hill, and all of the, I think it's North Bay. Over there in the distance you can actually see the Grand Hotel, which is where I stayed before. So let's head back to the hotel and let's get going. We are walking back down Esplanade Gardens. The gardens over there. The hotel's just on the end here, so let's go down here and have a look.